What's up, YouTube? We're out here at Range USA. I'm gonna stop in and buy some defensive ammo, run it through the pistols, see if it works. That's today's goal. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I went and I purchased some Hornady Critical Defense 9mm 115 grain. So I'm gonna head off into the range and go run it through, see what it does. And I'll be right back. Alright, so we're in the range. The target's set up here. So I'm just gonna load a couple into each one of the clips. See how it goes. Just always want to make sure that the ammo's going to fire, and all the pistols I got. Of course, I don't bring my tripod, so I have to wing it here as far as setting up this kit. All right, let's see how it goes. In the IWI. A little loud, obviously. You got people on both sides on me in the lane. Seven and one. Let's go downrange. There you go. Right without shooter's gloves, baby. I want to be like slow your breathing. Yeah. That's the only shot that. There's one of the chambers you're ready to go from. Slow your breathing. Alright, let's downrange here. Go about getting off at about 5 yards. Right there, start with the time. That flies, bro. You got it. Oh. Well, they work. Alright guys, so obviously I didn't have any problems running that ammo. It went through all the pistols just fine, no issues. So I'm just going to go and buy another box, and hopefully that's the only box I'll ever need to buy. I do that because I just feel it's important to make sure that anything you're running through your pistols is going to work without issue. In case a situation ever arrives, you want to make sure that everything is functioning and going to work properly. So, well, that's it. I will be back, and remember, if you like this video and want to continue on my joining me on my journey here, please hit the like and subscribe button. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.